Hey guys, it's Mark with Hallmark Pool Supplies. Are you guys losing water in your pool and you're not quite sure if you have a leak or if you're losing water to evaporation? Well, evaporation can occur at different times of the year depending on where you live, and in most cases evaporation happens more in the spring and in the fall when we have warmer days and cooler nights, and when we have that temperature change from day to night, we have evaporation occurring. So this video is going to show us how we can do a simple test to determine if the water loss in our pool is due to evaporation or if we actually have a leak. And the only thing we need is a bucket and a magic marker. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn off the swimming pool. We want to make sure the water is perfectly still. And then we're going to take our bucket and our magic marker. And what we want to do is we want to fill the bucket with the swimming pool water. And I'm going to place the bucket here on the steps. And the idea is to put the same amount of water in the bucket so that it's level with the pool water. And it doesn't have to be exact, but we want to be close. And once we get our bucket in position, what we want to do is we want to mark the inside of the bucket. And then we want to put a mark on the outside of the bucket. And then we're going to walk away and come back 24 hours later. And in 24 hours, if we come back and the water loss in the bucket and the pool is the same, then we're pretty much dealing with evaporation. But if we come back and we see that the bucket has lost water, but the pool has lost more water, then we're dealing potentially with a leak. Now in the swimming pool world, there are three types of leaks. There's pressure leaks, there's structural leaks, and there's suction leaks. So I do have a video series titled How to Find a Leak Like a Pro, and I will post these videos down below, but in these videos I cover finding the leak and pinpointing and diagnosing the type of leaks that are in swimming pools in a little bit more detail, so I will post those down below for any of you guys that want to check that out. And at the same time, if you guys have a question, a problem, or run into a situation and you need help, the fastest way to get in contact with me is book a phone session, and I'll be glad to help. I will also post a link down below for that as well. Remember us at Hallmark Pool Supplies for all your pool needs. I appreciate everybody watching. As always, my name is Mark, and I'll see you guys on the next video.